in Newa, Maicha, Baucha competition. So, Damaster, can you please hand over the prize? So, yeah, Samana Maharjan, he won two prizes, okay, from two categories. Okay, so Samana Maharjan, now see, our principal is felicitating her with the Tyra. And she received a trophy.
Sorry,
Okay, she is receiving the trophy for the first runner-up Newa Maicha Baucha competition. Okay, and Samana Maharjan, she has won in the voting, okay, and the name of the voting is Aventor's Most Popular Award. Okay, so to receive the Aventor's Most Popular Award. Yeah, she's got the second tire also, and this is the tire for winning the most popular award. See, we don't have one also, she's having two tires. Yeah. Congratulations, Samana Maharjan. We wish you wishes for the school.
Namaste.
Congratulations. And